Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can perform the factory reset of your JBL Tune Flex. So to do this we have to be connected with the JBL headphones application and then open your earbuds, scroll down at the bottom, go to the support and select this option reset to factory setting. Then click to reset. As you can see right now, we are not connected anymore and the reset is on the way. We can also try to open the Bluetooth settings, and as you can see right here we are also not connected. So then you have to put both earbuds inside this charging case, close it for a few seconds, then open it, and after a few moments they will move to the pairing mode. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.